Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for mid-July. So we'll see what are the guidance messages you are going to get in the middle of the month. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Okay, so for one more thing, that this is a general reading, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's start with your reading now. Okay, so I can see that you are in the middle of a situation. So you have chosen something and you have chosen that thing which you actually, there was something which you were thinking and you wanted to achieve this thing. Might be a new job, new passionate work, new artistic work, whatever that is. Might be making your new videos in YouTube channel or something like that. Something new which you were thinking and you chose this thing. Might be a new relationship, entering into new relationship, but I don't know why this is coming as an issue. Okay, so you have chosen this thing, but I can see that you are still not sure about it whether. Okay, so but we'll clarify, we'll see. You are actually in a place where there's nothing hidden, there is nothing like you know everything. You know that this is the time. I know the thing whichever had to happen. Might be entering in a new relationship and you might be thinking that, okay, fine, so this is the time. I know that I cannot do anything about that. So but you are still, something is there. I can see you are holding on, which is still hidden. Either is it hidden from you or you are hiding from people around you. Okay, we'll see what is this thing. Let's clarify now. Yeah, you have chosen this thing but you are still confused. Three of wands came first and then two of wands coming. It means that you were in a position, you were confused, then but you actually, with the three of wands, you chose something, that I'm ready for this. But again, coming back to the two of wands energy, which means this means you are not going towards the four of wands, you came back towards the two of wands. That is more confusion. While going towards the four of wands, it's like a happy ending kind of a situation. Oh, okay, so I'm happy with the happy reunion, whatever that is. But you are coming back to the two of wands. That is actually making the situation more like you are still confused. You chose something but you are confused because you are in a place where you are not ready to take a decision. You are not ready to move further because is it because of you not being so mature, or is it you because you have so much of things in your mind? You are like, I have to do this. So what is my age? I am not yet, I am yet to be a grown up man, a grown up woman. There is more which I have to see in this world. I cannot go into this new relationship. What to do? Yes, two of swords with the seven of cups. So much confusion. You have this thing in your hand, you are taking a stand. See, you have this, but still a lot of confusion. Two of swords with the seven of cups. Your mind is just elaborating, it is overflowing with ideas, it is overflowing with things. What to do? There is a question that, shall I do this thing? am I doing it right? So that question is coming in your head. I can see that you are, because there is something which you are still holding on. You know, might be a karmic relationship with someone or something, because I can see with the devil you are holding on. It's like a karmic cycle with which you were tied, and you are not able to let go of that thing. But this, with the strength card, it's like you are, you know, your mind, I can see with the devil and the strength coming at the same time. It's like strength not being good over here. It is the negative side of the strength over here, because your mind is taken by, you know, you are not controlling your mind. Your mind is controlling you. You are in that kind of a situation. That, and you don't know that. It's hidden, because I can tell you, because it is hidden and you are not aware of that thing. What you are aware of is that you will achieve something, that you are king of rods with the justice. um, this is more of a situation where you are like, okay, so whatever is happening, it had to happen. If now, if later, I cannot deny this. You are in that situation that, okay, fine, time will be time will come and go. When will I decide this thing? You are just going towards the situation, but I don't see it. You are going it with your heart. It might be a legal issue. You might be entering into this legal ties. Might be a marriage as well, because with the justice, it is more involved with legally. So when you sign the papers, then for signing that thing, I really feel that you are not sure. You are not sure about something. Might be someone entering in a business, and still you're not sure whether to start this business, to whether this to take this business, to take this small this might be a small business which you have just started, to take it to the next level. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, you are leaving that kind of energy. You were in the energy of, okay, I will start this new relationship, I will be there, I am going to do this. You know, you were balanced. I can see you decided something, you had this thing in your mind, but there might be some people involved, and which are telling you to not go towards the situation, or might be you are telling yourself, or the people are telling you that this is fine. The people are with you. I can see that they want the stability. They are wise towards you. They are giving you wise suggestions. But I think it's you who is doing the self-sabotage. You know, it's you. I cannot see it. The people over here. People are fine. People are telling you, because you took a decision in the past. I see. With the Ace of Pentacles and Three of Wands and Six of Pentacles, you wanted this harmony. You wanted to balance out things in your life, and you were ready for this new beginning. You chose that. See how this person is just holding the stick in his hand. That means he has chosen that thing. He is ready for this thing. But still, there is some kind, because with the Wheel of Fortune, I can see you are coming back to the time, you're going back to the past again. You are not letting yourself to move on. Okay. Yeah, with the Knight of Cups, the Moon, and Five of Cups. So I can see the emotions. Your emotions might be coming during the night a lot. You are crying, not crying, but you are sad. You are sad about something, I can see. There is a part of love which is still left, a part of something which is still left in you, and you are not able to move on because of that. And you are hiding those feelings, I can tell you. You are hiding that thing because you cannot show it to people, because there is a balance. The people around you, they are telling you to move towards this direction, but you are not letting yourself to move towards this direction. You want something else, I guess. There's something else which you need. Yeah. The Magician, Five of Swords and Ace of Swords. It's you who is actually, you know, disturbing yourself. You are self sabotaging yourself, I can see. Because it's in your hand. No one can take a decision other than you. It's your life. You have to take a decision. If you are confused, the best thing for that, delay it for some time. Let the high priestess do the work. Okay, let the high priestess tell you that whenever the time will be right, I'll give you the things you need in your life. Do not rush towards any decision, because a decision made in so much of rush timing, it might bring you down again. Okay, but I'm just saying, I am not telling you to decide something. It's your life. You have to decide at the end. I'm no one to tell you. King of Wands with King of Cups and Two of Pentacles. So there's a part of you, see, I'll show you. This is the King of Wands and this is King of Cups. These both are your energies, and you are actually dicing. You're somewhere going towards here, somewhere going towards there, because sometimes your love calls you, sometimes your passion calls you, sometimes you have to decide something from your heart, something you have to decide from your mind, something you need to do. It's like, I have to do this, I have no option. And sometimes it's like, no, my heart is not telling me to do this. So you are moving in this and this, you're just rolling and dicing, you're doing that thing. Okay, but I think I have cleared a lot of things, that what is actually, see, the people around you, they are fine, they are telling you to do some things, but I don't see the negative people around over here. The negativity I can see is in you. You are not sure over here. I'm sorry that if I'm saying, if you are not liking my things, but the confusion is in your head. People are not making you confused over here. So whatever decision you want to take, if you want to delay the process, you can delay it as well, but it's up to you. Alright, so that's all, Gemini, from my side. I hope you liked the reading, and you can give me a thumbs up in my video if you really liked it, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.